everybody, welcome to video number 3 of our series, Get Your Dance Fit Fix in 5 in February. So, this year is going to be a 5-minute video. I'm going to do one move with you. I'm going to teach it to you, and then we're going to practice together for 5 minutes. Get our heart rate going. Make sure we're doing the move right, because practice is perfect. I hope you enjoy. Please let me know. Also, reminder to subscribe. I gotta keep on saying that in my videos because I always forget. But if you haven't subscribed yet, it would be my honor and pleasure to be one of your subscribees. So please do also leave comments in the comment section, questions. If you have questions about a move, I'm here to help you. So let me know how it's going. Okay, our move today is going to be the Apache. So I have gone over this before in many classes. I teach street dance and hip hop and taught for a while. And this is a very popular move. Not everyone calls it the Apache. That's kind of more the well-known original name for it. Okay, so it is a street dance. So I'm gonna go over the moves with you now, facing me. Take a deep breath. All right, so we're gonna start with our right foot. It goes kick, that's step number 1. Then we're gonna place it beside our standing leg, step 2. And shift our weight. Touch, step 3. Pause, step 4. Okay, so there's 4 steps. Now this foot is just touching, it's ready to kick. Your right goes kick, step, shift your weight, touch side. Now, key part of this move is to bend your knees. In fact, most of them it is. If you're being agile, if you're bouncing around, you want those knees to be ready to catch some weight to protect your body. Okay, also abs and tight. I'm gonna say that like a broken record, as I do. Really use your abs to your advantage. So here you are. You're gonna kick, step, touch, and pause. 3, 2, 1, and pause. Kick, step, touch, and pause. Kick, step, touch, and pause. Now give yourself some time to get this. If you've never done this move before, this might not seem very intuitive. Bend those knees, kick, step, touch. So I'm saying the movement as I'm moving my feet. Kick, step, touch. I always do advise to tell your feet what to do, and then it transfers brain to feet. Goes kick, step, touch, and hold. Kick, step, touch, and hold. Some people prefer to count. 1, 2, 3, hold. 1, 2, 3, hold. 1, 2, 3, hold 4. 2, 3, hold 4. All right, what do you say we speed this up? Let's try it a little bit faster, and then we'll add the music and we'll practice it all together. Have some fun. The Apache. Kick, step, touch, side. Kick, step, touch, side. Speed it up a little bit. Now, as you speed it up, you're gonna get a little bouncier. Good. Just wait till the music comes on. Kick, step, touch. 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 Amazing. I'm gonna get some music. Let's go.